Hello, welcome to this video from Beetexting. Today we have a video overview on the most popular Zipwhip features and how Beetexting can replace those features and offer you more robust tools to enhance your SMS efforts. Let's get started. The first feature we'll compare from Zipwhip to Beetexting is Zipwhip's group messaging feature. Beetexting's broadcast tool is similar to Zipwhip's group message feature in that you're able to send text to mass groups of contacts who then receive the text individually. However, with Beetexting, there is no limit to how many contacts you can populate on a single broadcast, whereas Zipwhip limited you to 50 contacts. From here, we can see the Create Broadcast menu from within Beetexting. We'll start by selecting a tag or a group of contacts that we'll send our broadcast to. From here, we'll then title and enter the text to our broadcast message. Along with dynamic fields, you also have the ability to add several attachments to your broadcast message. You can schedule your broadcast to send now or later, or make your broadcast recurring. That covers Beetexting's broadcast tool. Let's take a look at Beetexting's next feature. Next, we'll cover Beetexting's automation tool. Zipwhip offers several different types of automation that were only available with premium plans, with keyword automation being a popular feature. Beetexting offers all of these automations without the limitation on how many keywords you can create and use. Automations operate on if-then logic, where one of your conditions must be met, and if that condition is met, then an action will take place. Your automations can be simple and single use, like out-of-the-office automation. Our out-of-office automation uses a time is condition to trigger an action. In this case, we send a reply immediately to our contact should they contact us outside of the designated hours. You can also create automations that, once triggered, are capable of completing several actions. Here we have an example of keyword automation. This automation is triggered when the if condition, receiving a text with the keyword website from a contact, the automation will send a reply immediately, then a delayed reply 5 minutes later, as well as adding tags to a contact. Unlike Zipwhip, Beetexting has no limit on how many automations you can create or how many keywords you can use. Let's go ahead and take a look at Beetexting's next feature. Another feature that Beetexting shares with Zipwhip is the ability to have shared inboxes. Do more with your shared inboxes by taking advantage of Beetexting's collaboration tools. Claim or transfer conversations to your teammates. Collaborate with your team internally. Or add notes to your contact's profile, all from within the text thread. Beetexting has lots of tools to make communicating with your contacts easier. Users can create templates that can be shared with your team, or personal templates that exist for just themselves. You also have the ability to schedule text messages from within the text thread, making it convenient to keep conversations going without having to schedule a reminder to yourself to send a text later. I hope you found this comparison video between features you find on Zipwhip and the solutions Beetexting offers helpful. To learn more about how Beetexting can be a solution for you, check out our blog post, which we'll link in the description below. From all of us here at Beetexting, thanks for watching.